My back is too bad for this. Oh! Oh, no!
No, Chris!
All right, we're gonna play a game of skate. It's me versus everybody. And we're gonna do the board flip to see who goes first. I guess we all do this at the same time.
I think they gotta redo it. There's hit. Yeah!
So you're first.
Yeah!
Okay, you go. Are we doing anything counts? Any tricks?
Any trick.
Anything counts.
Whatever.
Try and do it. I guess
stretch.
try and do the tricks right here. Although there's a crack right here. Watch out for that.
right,
what are you stretching?
I gotta stretch. I sat down.
You can choose anybody to start. He's starting it off with a switch ollie. You better not mess up. I'm not gonna be nice to you. Okay, he did good.
No, man.
Oh
No,
my word, he
Chris.
missed it. He missed it. Boneless 180, so
Bro,
good.
Chris, you were like 8 feet in the air. It's okay. No, okay.
Everyone gets a chance.
We got it. We got it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, God. Was it a frontside 180?
Yeah.
Oh, I probably could have did it.
Well, everybody gets a chance.
Oh, we all get a chance?
Okay. First try.
All right, that's between you two. I can't kickflip or heel flip.
Oh, what?
Chris, you're our only hope. I can't kickflip.
Oh, no.
All right, it's up to us. We got to land a kickflip now.
It's amazing.
This is everything we've hoped for.
They have two people that can kickflip, and both of them just missed the kickflip. In a shocking turn.
You got to try it.
Yeah, bro, come on. Oh. That's an S.
This is why we hired
That's
you
an
guys.
S. The Legion of Doom. Okay. Shove it. You got to shove it. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh yeah, sick. Very well done.
Yay.
They said anything counts.
Let's go, Chris. Woo! Yeah, it's our turn.
Nollie? Fakey? Oh no, bro. I haven't done this for probably 10 years.
We needed him to sweat.
Fakey.
Yeah! We did it. All right, I'm happy. We win. That's a win in my eyes.
Oh, bro. He's trying to take me out at my weakness. Now my turn? What did I miss? Oh, fakey big spin.
Don't do it again, Aaron. We don't need that energy.
Okay, well.
Probably. Good try. I'll try it. I'll at least flick it. You gotta flick it at least. It's good practice. To at least flick it. What do you gotta lose?
That's true.
What do you gotta lose? And also, once you get the kickflip, then guess what? You're like, oh well, I already practiced flicking it, right? I'm tired.
You got this. Yeah, you got that. Okay, easy one. Easy one.
Okay, we got that. We got that one.
Yeah. Good, what's left?
Oh!
I know he's got it because I saw him do it already.
Yeah.
But save him for last though. He's going straight into it. Wow, so good.
Damn, that was sick.
That was so good. Yeah, he does it like Muska flip style. That's a Muska flip frontside flip. SKA?
So we're only down 2 points.
I'm getting nervous now. Still my trick, we got an S.
Do an inward heel flip.
Do I want to play really dirty or clean?
Hey, whatever.
Are you sure about that?
Oh! How did I miss that?
You're on this team. You're on this team. Get in there.
No,
do
you're
it. Do
doing
it
good.
stationary then if you're that scared.
Yeah, dude, let's go.
Yeah!
Hit that.
First try!
It's
That.
team effort. There we go.
Old school tricks. Do the boneless 180. Woo! Oh no!
Yeah!
I should have waited. I should have breathed. See, he did it so good. I was like, I gotta do it good like he did it. Your guy's turn.
Hey, you could do it again, unless you want to pass it to somebody else.
Yeah.
Oh, good save. Good save.
That was
good save. Oh. Oh, wait till. My bad, Aaron.
Yeah, there you go.
I want to learn how to do the
That's
actual.
backside 180.
I want to learn how to do the whole spin. That was cool.
Oh yeah!
Fakey?
Oh yeah!
Fakey? Oh my,
Was that a
that's
fakey
hard.
front shove?
Whoa, I almost missed that.
Oh! What the heck,
way.
bro?
No way.
What the heck? Dude,
I knew it. I knew that something like that was coming. That's why I was like, I don't want to miss.
I want to see you attempt it. You made me do
Front,
the primo.
Shove it, backside 180 body
You made
barrel.
me do that primo stall stuff. I want to see you try it, bruh.
Front shove, backside 180 body barrel.
I hope.
What do I got?
It's tied now, I think. A.
A to A?
A.
A to A. Where's my dad? Okay, that was good. That was a shocker. That definitely gave me an intense shinner. That was the shinner I never know I needed.
Yeah!
My back is too bad for this.
Yeah. Yes.
T?
I think he's got one last letter. He's got one last letter.
2 tries on the last letter. Wow, that was sick. Why you do that so good?
We win!
There's no way. I was gonna say there's no way he doesn't do that.
That was try 2. I did it.
Hey.
Oh, good try, good try.
Should I do the heel flip? Should I do the heel flip on offense? Nollie flip.
Sorry, team. If I knew how to heel flip or kick flip, I'd have it.
I know they got that.
Yeah! We're in it still. We're in it. It's a T to T game.
T to T. If I miss this trick, they're gonna do the heel flip, and then I'll miss it twice because I suck at heel flips. This is my one chance.
That was a double kick flip. Oh no!
Yeah, you all get 2 tries.
He's our only hope.
Yeah. There you go.
I felt a sprinkle too. I felt a few.
Yeah, a little rain. Okay, that was super fun. My life was flashing before my eyes. I thought they were gonna take me out. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.